Now that you know how to find a conversion factor, let's get back to your client and their arm span measurement you need to give to your supplier. Let's review the tables of US customary and SI measurement to find an equivalency that relates units of length. 3.281 feet is equivalent to 1 meter. We can use that relationship to convert the US customary arm span measurement to the metric system. To write this equivalency equation to convert from feet to meters, divide both sides of the equation by 3.281 feet, so that the desired unit of meters is in the numerator and the given unit is in the denominator. The conversion factor is equal to 1 meter over, or divided by, 3.281 feet. Recall that this conversion factor has a value of 1 because the two lengths are equivalent. So, how do we apply this conversion factor? Remember, we have measured the client's arm in feet, but need to convert this measurement to centimeters. The measurement of 2.200 feet can be converted to a metric length, namely meters, using the conversion factor 1 meter over, or divided by, 3.281 feet. Because this factor has a value of 1, multiplying 2.200 feet by this factor does not increase or decrease the value of the length. It only changes the unit of measure describing the length. Recall that the unit of meters is in the numerator of our conversion factor because meters is the desired unit of measure. When we multiply 2.200 feet by the conversion factor, we can conclude that 2.200 feet is equivalent to 0.6705 meters. Notice that feet in the denominator of the conversion factor cancel out with the feet we started with, and the unit we have left in the numerator is meters, which is what we wanted to convert to. However, the supplier wants the units to be in centimeters, not meters. So we need to multiply by a different conversion factor. In the metric system table, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So using the conversion factor of 100 centimeters over, or divided by, 1 meter, we multiply 0.6705 meters by the conversion factor to find that the arm span length is 67.05 centimeters. Again, notice that the units we are converting from cancel each other out, leaving us with our desired unit of centimeters. We have concluded that 2.200 feet equals 67.05 centimeters. But does that make sense? 1 foot is a greater length than 1 centimeter. Therefore, we would need more of our smaller unit, in this case centimeters, to measure the same length as the larger unit. Instead of performing the conversion in 2 steps, you could perform the conversion from feet to centimeters in 1 step using 2 conversion factors as shown. Now we can tell our supplier that the overall length of the prosthetic device for the client is 67.05 centimeters. The parts came in, and the team has built the prosthetic arm for our client. Thanks to the work of the team, the client has a new arm and hand that fit perfectly.